Look at this now. Let's try some. So I got one. Let's eat the chocolate. This is a mysterious rice cake. So let's check it out. Is this a toy inside? Let's keep digging up. This is my other collection. This is so yummy. Yeah. Wait, no, let's open. Let's just milk that you use, you know. We're gonna try and again. Yummy. Mama? Mama? Buksan. Hindi ko pause.
Sing lang.
Wala. Wala. I didn't think to do that. There's another one inside. I only have one now.
No, it's enough na. Tomorrow mo.
Isend ko to sa classmates ko pag nag-subscribe sila. Dadalhin ko to sa school. Magbibigyan ko si Yana kasi best friend ko siya. Forever. Pag naglipat din kami, best friends pa din kami. Ha?
Yes.
Bukas bigyan ko si Yana.
Ito ka na.
Kasi bestie ko siya eh.
Okay.
And tomorrow kainin ko yung isa, ang dalhin ko sa school yung ring.
Okay.
So para si Khalid din. Best friend ko sila dalawa eh. They're my best friend. Yana is good at dancing. Khalil is just so good. And now my mom is 20% now.
Lubat na.
My mom is 20%. I'm gonna give one to whoever likes and subscribe. And share as well. What's this? Oh. Guys, why didn't just give me some wings? Look, it says it's gonna give us some like this. So, but they didn't give me. What's like that? I'm just joking. I'm always happy as always. This is it. My mom is tiny, a cute mirror. Look.